So a part of me wanted to take this risk. A part of me wanted to jump into the field of microblading. Why? I'm not even sure why. I saw these beautiful brows being formed on these women's faces, and something inside of me just took over. I left a full-time job as a creative and marketing director, and I jumped right into PMU. What happened? I took a 2-day course. 2-day courses don't teach you nothing. I went back, I sat at my desk, and I tried to emulate these beautiful brows that so many artists kept on showing and posting on their Instagram. Why couldn't I get there? What was I doing wrong? I scoured the internet, I scoured the web, I scoured YouTube just to find something that would help me. Did I find something? No. So now we're here, 4 years later. I'm going to teach you all the tricks that you need to become a successful microblading artist. You're going to know depth, you're going to know precision, you're going to know how to brow map, you're going to know how to sharpen your pencil, you're going to know stretch. I'm going to teach you the proper techniques, the proper products to produce perfect microbladed results.